There are almost 200 countries in our world. See if you can name this one. With a population of 51 million, this country is 1/3 the size of California, yet has 50% more people. It houses one of the most important port cities in the world, which gave birth to the Mersey Beat sound that changed rock music forever in the 1960s. Its capital is the largest city in Europe and also contains the world's oldest public zoo, which opened in 1828. One of the oldest spa resorts, built by the Romans in 43 AD, can be found in a town called Bath. Nearby is a famous Circle of Stones, created 2,500 years before the Romans arrived. From the beginning of the 18th century to well into the 20th century, this country had the most powerful navy in the world. Today, the citizens here consume more tea per capita than anywhere else. Where in the world are we? We're in England.
Get smarter every day. Click the subscribe button and don't miss a single new minute of Flame Bubble.